Hey everyone, my name is Deborah Kurata.
And I'm Duncan Hunter.
Welcome to our course, Angular NgRx Getting Started.
This course gets you started with NgRx, the powerful library for organizing and managing state and interactions with that state in your Angular applications using the Redux Pattern. We look at the three principles of the Redux Pattern that NgRx follows and the benefits this brings to your Angular applications, such as state management, performance, tooling, and component communication.
Next, we implement the pattern. We define a single store for our application state. We dispatch actions and process those actions with reducers, creating new state.
We look at the awesome Redux Dev Tools browser extension to take your tooling to the next level with time travel debugging.
We strongly type our state with interfaces and selectors, and strongly type our actions with action creators. We end up with a clear and clean set of actions that the tooling uses to help us better dispatch and process those actions.
Then we look at effects to deal with side effects and how these can help keep your components pure and more reusable. We go step by step through how to master these complex but powerful observable streams. Lastly, we explore key architectural considerations, including presentational and container component patterns, and taking advantage of Angular's change detection strategy called onPush. By the end of this course, you will know the basics of using NgRx and the Redux pattern it implements, so you can get started using NgRx in your applications.
I hope you'll join us on this journey to learn NgRx with Angular NgRx Getting Started at Pluralsight.